Describing words are also known as adjectives. Children, all of you repeat after me. Adjectives. Adjectives. Okay, these words will describe the noun. You all know what are nouns? Nouns are the naming words. Okay, now all of you open your English textbook, page number 41. Yes, children, I wrote yesterday's date because I have already explained in the online class. Okay, you also write yesterday's date here. Okay, now look at the pictures below and read the sentences. The rose is a beautiful flower. The rose is a beautiful flower. Look here, children. The rose. Rose is the naming word. Flower is a naming word. How is the rose? Beautiful. The word beautiful is describing the rose. So, the word beautiful is an adjective. This black buffalo gives more milk. This black buffalo. Buffalo is the name of animal. How was the buffalo? Black. Here the word black is telling us the color of the buffalo. So black is an adjective. My horse has a bushy tail. My horse. Horse is a name of an animal. So horse is a noun. Has a bushy tail. How was the tail here? Tail is also noun, children. It is a name of a part. How was the tail? Bushy. So here the word bushy is describing the tail. Bushy is an adjective. She is a kind woman. She is a kind woman. Here you can see. She is a pronoun. Woman is a noun. So here what kind of woman she is? Kind. Kind. What type of woman? Kind. Here the word kind is telling the quality of the woman. Her character. Kind is an adjective describing the woman. Okay? Understood, children? So here the words beautiful, black, bushy, kind, they all are adjectives. Okay? Now all of you repeat after me. Describing words are called adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Now let us do a quick activity, children. I have explained you already. Still I will explain you. So the children who have not attended the online class can do it. Okay. Circle the adjectives and underline the nouns they describe. We will read out the sentences. We will pick the nouns. We will underline the nouns. And we will circle the adjectives. Okay. You are ready, children? Come on. Mrs. Sharma is a pretty lady. Mrs. Sharma, name of a woman. So, it's a naming word. You will underline Mrs. Sharma. Pretty lady. Pretty lady. Lady is also noun. So, you will underline. What type of lady is Mrs. Sharma? Pretty. Here the word pretty is an adjective. So, circle the word pretty. Ben is very happy. Ben is very happy. Ben is the name of a person. So Ben is very happy. What kind of person is Ben? How was Ben? Happy. So happy is adjective. The grapes are sour. Grapes are the names of the fruits. They are fruits. What is the taste of the grapes? Sour. Sour is an adjective. The dog found a large stick. Here you have two nouns, children. Dog, name of an animal, and stick, name of a thing. Two nouns. The dog found a large stick. How was the stick? Large. So you will underline you will circle the adjective here. Now here the word large is describing the stick, not the dog. Okay? Large stick. How was the stick? Large. Here the word large is describing the stick. She wore a red dress to the dance. She wore a red dress. Dress is a noun, name of a thing. How was the dress? Red. It is describing the color of the dress. So, all of you circle the word red and you underline the word dress. Now turn the page, children. Page number 42. In page number 42, let's do. See, in let's do, fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives from the help box. Here you have some adjectives: tasty, fast, funny, slow, red, hot, cold, green. These all are the adjectives. You have to take the help of the words in the help box and fill the blanks here. Okay? I met a dash man. Funny man. Funny man. An aeroplane is a fast means of transport. Fast. You should put a suitable adjective here. Bullock carts and bicycles are dash means of transport. Slow means of transport. I have a dash dress. I have a red dress. We should eat lots of dash vegetables. Green vegetables. Soup is hot. In F you have two, F1, and the juice is cold, F2. The food is tasty, G1. Okay, children? All of you write these adjectives. See, we have kept the appropriate adjective there. Okay? Understood, children? Till here I told in the online class, and even I have explained this, but I told that I will send you the pics. Okay, children, now let's see. From the following sentences, choose the adjectives and nouns and write them in the blanks. Here there are some sentences. All of you now take your pencils now. Children who have attended the online class, I explained but I didn't give you no written work. Now in this video, follow this video and you will write. From the following sentences, choose the adjectives and nouns and write them in the blanks. Okay, first read out the sentence. Deserts are hot. Deserts are hot. First you pick up the naming word. What is the noun here? Deserts. So you will write deserts in the noun column, children. Yesterday I found some pictures. They have written in the adjectives. Deserts are the name of the land space, no? So you will write the deserts, name of the place, in the nouns, not in the adjectives. Deserts. How are the deserts? Hot. Hot is describing the climate in the deserts or that describing the deserts. So hot is an adjective. A lion is a fierce animal. First tell me, pick up the noun here, lion and animal. Okay, so you will write in the nouns, lion, animal. Okay, what kind of animal is lion? Fierce. Here the word fierce is describing the animal. So the word fierce is an adjective. Ronnie is rich. Ronnie, name of a person. So first you write the noun here. So whenever you do, children, first you pick up the noun. And how was Ronnie? Rich. So you will write rich here. R-I-C-H, rich. Okay, children? Ladakh is a quiet and peaceful place. Ladakh. Ladakh is a place, is a name of a place in Kashmir. So Ladakh is a place, name of the place. How is Ladakh? Quiet and peaceful. First you will write the name Ladakh in naming words or nouns. Place. Place is also name of the place. Noun. So you got to, how is Ladakh? How is the place Ladakh? Quiet and peaceful. You have two adjectives. Quiet, peaceful. Quiet, peaceful. So you will write here quiet, peaceful. Okay, two adjectives. Now see the next one. The swimming pool is large and deep. The swimming pool is large and deep. What is the noun here? Swimming pool. Swimming pool. So you will write here swimming pool. Name of a place. Swimming pool. Okay. How is the swimming pool? Large and deep. Two adjectives. Two words are describing the swimming pool. Large, deep. Okay children, you understood. Wipe your face with a cool and wet towel. Wipe. First each word you see. Wipe is an action word. Face. Face is a name of a part. That means it's a naming word. Cool and wet towel. Towel is also naming thing. Now see here the words cool and wet are describing the towel. Okay, they are not describing the face. You have to wipe your face with cool and wet towel. How is the towel? Cool and wet. So these two words are describing the towel. First you will write the nouns here, face and towel. But here the words cool and wet are describing the towel. They are not describing the face. Understood children? Cool and wet are adjectives. They are describing the towel. Delhi has wide roads. Delhi. First you write the name of a place. Delhi. Roads. Roads. How are the roads in Delhi? Wide. Now here the word wide is describing the roads. Roads in Delhi. Fill in the blanks with nouns to match the given adjectives. One has been done for you. Here are some words children. Okay, some naming words. You have to write the correct or suitable adjective. Okay, now an old dash. An old, for example, a big playground. An old, I'll write here man. An old man. A heavy bus or a truck. A heavy truck. A pretty girl. Pretty girl. A sunny day. An orange dress. An orange dress. Yes. Some dried fruits. Some dried fruits. Okay children. An old man. How was the man? Old. How was the girl? Pretty. What's the color of the dress? Orange. How was the truck? Heavy. How's the day? Sunny. How are the fruits? Dried. Okay, you can also write leaves, some dried leaves. Okay, fill in the blanks with the opposites of the describing words. Okay, you have to now fill the blanks with the opposites of these adjectives. Your shoes are very dirty. First you underline the word dirty. But mine are, what is opposite for dirty? Neat. But mine are neat. An ant is tiny, but an elephant is huge. Tiny or big. Huge, you can write or big. Wood is heavy, but cotton is light. My brother is tall, but my sister is short. The car is old, but that car is old, but this car is new. Okay, children, understood? We wrote the opposites for the adjectives given here. Write down 4 adjectives to describe your partner. Exchange your book with your partner and see what she has written to describe you. You can also show your describing words to the class. Okay, now you do yourself. You write 4 adjectives about yourself, like a good girl, curly hair, I am long, I am short, I am kind, I am helpful. Okay, children, you write 4 describing words about yourself. Okay, children, hope you all have understood the describing words. Write neatly in your notebook, children. Okay, children, bye. See you in the next class.